Hello everyone, so now I'm going to discuss example 20. So first I'm going to square both sides in order to eliminate the surd. So I'm going to square both sides. So my answer will be 4x over 1 minus square root of x equals to 9. Next step, I'm going to cross multiply. So 4x will be equals to 9 bracket 1 minus square root of x. Third step, I'm going to expand. So where we will have 4x equals to 9 minus 9 square root of x. Step number 4, I'm going to rearrange. So 9 square root of x is equals to 9 minus 4x. Next, I'm going to square both sides for the second time in order to eliminate the surd. So we will have 81x equals to 81 minus 36x minus 36x plus 16x squared. Next, I'm going to rearrange so that we can have a quadratic equation. So 16x squared minus 72x minus 81x plus 81, which is equals to 0. So finally, 16x squared minus 153x plus 81, which is equals to 0. And we will have a quadratic equation. Next step, we are going to factorize the situation. So we will have 16x minus 9 bracket x minus 9, which is equals to 0. So finally, x will be equals to 9 over 16. X is equals to 9. Next step, we are going to check the validity, meaning that substitute the value x into the original equation. So now I'm going to substitute the value x equals to 9 over 16 into the left hand side. So we will have 4x will be 9 over 16 over 1 minus square root of 9 over 16. Here we have a square root. So for the left hand side, we will have square root of, we can simplify, it becomes 4. This one become 1. So we have 9 over 4 over 1 minus 3 over 4. So we can simplify square root of 9 over 4 over 1 over 4 equals to square root of 9 over 4 multiply with 4 over 1. So finally, we have square root of 9, which is equals to 3 for the left hand side. As we all know, for the right hand side, the value is equals to 3. So from the value left hand side and right hand side, it is equal. So meaning that x equals to 9 over 16 is valid because it satisfies the equation. Next, I'm going to test the value when x is equal to 9 by substituting into the left hand side. Square root of 4 multiply with 9 over 1 minus square root of 9. So we will have 36 over 1 minus 3. We have square root of 36 over negative 2. Square root of negative 18 after we simplify 36 over negative 2. So as we all know, for square root, the internal value must be greater or equals to 0. For this case, negative 18, which is less than 0, so it is invalid. So meaning that x equals to 9 is invalid. So the final answer would be x equals to 9 over 16 valid because it satisfies the equation. So here we are, and thanks for watching.